Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and opening the sound panel. This avoids wasting time chasing software fixes for a hardware problem. First, check cables and power, then open Settings Sound or click the System Tray speaker icon and choose your output device. Once done, set master volume to 50% so you have headroom to raise or lower while testing. You do this because extreme initial levels can mask distortion or driver issues and make troubleshooting slower. Next, you fine-tune device settings and verify drivers to resolve common software causes. Choose the proper output and set it as default and default communication device so apps route correctly. Then open device properties to disable unnecessary enhancements and set sample rate and bit depth. Try 48,000 HZ and 24-bit for most modern gear. If the settings revert or options are missing, update or reinstall the audio driver in Device Manager. Finally, you confirm app routing and run tests to complete the fix. Use the volume mixer or each app's sound settings to ensure audio goes to your chosen device, then play a test sound and switch apps while listening. Make sure to restart the app or reboot if routing doesn't apply immediately. If problems persist, roll back the driver or try a different connection like USB versus aux, and run the built-in audio troubleshooter. This single targeted step often reveals the persistent configuration or driver fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.